Our ball end L wrenches reach tight angles, up to 25 degrees, for fast, flexible fastening. Chamfered hex ends eliminate burrs, giving you a perfect fit every time. Forged from protanium high torque steel, 20% stronger than standard alloys. Tool sizes are permanently stamped, so you never lose track. Stay organized with color-coded sets for quick access in any job. Pick your finish: Pro Guard, Bright Guard, Gold Guard, or Color Guard, for ultimate protection and style. And with a lifetime warranty, our ball end L wrenches set gives you performance that lasts and torque you can trust.